knows that, and he was very happy to hear that. And I told him of all the support everywhere in the world, from everywhere in the Philippines and everywhere in
the buffet kit, the buffet for people.
There is a small, hindi naman buffet, pero parang a small, may mga sa labas ng bahay niya in Davao City, the greenhouse.
Yes.
People were able to set up tents there para for the
TV, ma'am.
Yes, I heard also. I was not able to see it, but I heard. And then may mga vitamins doon. There are snacks for people who want to stay there and watch over his house. So he's very happy and grateful to hear that.
Baby, noon ka naman ba sinisimuli ni PRRD na dahil kasalanan mo kasi ito kaya ako nandito dahil nakipag-unite ka sa Marcos?
Wala.
Nag-harmonize ka, ma'am.
Ever since.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Ever since, wala siyang sinabi sa akin.
Ni PRRD na dahil kasalanan mo kasi ito kaya ako nandito dahil nakipag-unite ka sa Marcos.
Wala.
Nag-harmonize ka, ma'am.
Ever since.
Sorry.
Oh, yeah. Yes. Ever since, wala siyang sinabi sa akin na ganyan. Even when I ran for Vice President, ma'am, wala naman talaga siya sinabi. Sinabi lang niya, hindi na ako sasali dyan. At kayo nang magdesisyon yan. Yan lang yung sinabi niya when he was told by one of my siblings that I'm running for Vice President. And wala.
That's good to know. Thank you.
VP?
I don't remember PRD na naninisi.
Wala.
Never. Kasi I always remember him. I don't know, Kit, with you, but I always remember him when I was growing up. He would always say, you make your own history in this world. So you always answer to your decisions. So I think that is his philosophy as well. So he doesn't blame anyone with what happened. He always says, I did it for my country.
Yes.
He did it. He always says,
Repeatedly.
I did it for my country.
The two boys po, are they coming?
The Paulo and Baste, no? We're talking about Paulo and Baste.
So there are plans naman. We arrange this pag-aalis yung isa, may dadating na isa. So as of now, we are arranging all the dates since most of them are busy with the campaign.
VP, pardon me. I understand this is something legal, but we just want to hear your side. Kasi po, sabi po ni Attorney Kaufman, tinatrabaho na raw po yung interim release. Meron pa po ba kayong nakikitang balakid before filing one, or how soon will you file this? At sa Pilipinas niyo po ba gustong ma-release ang... of course, may panawagan kayo na bring him home to the Philippines, to Davao City. But just for the record, we just want to hear if sa Pilipinas niyo po gusto siyang ma-release. Kasi may sinasabi po yung palasyon, let me quote, does it mean that we have to recognize that ICC has jurisdiction over the Philippines? I believe the family of the former President Duterte is asking and praying from the Supreme Court that the government should not cooperate with the ICC. So it means that if we will not cooperate with the ICC, even that prayer or even that manifestation of the ICC will not take cognizance of that regarding or relating to the request to have him released in the Philippines.
With regard to the interim release, no, I do not know really, truly, honestly, I do not know what the steps are the lawyers are doing with regard to the interim release. But as I told you before, I fear for his life in the Philippines. But we follow what the client wants, what President Duterte wants, and he wants to go home.
To the Philippines.
Yes. And everyone wants him to go home to the Philippines.
Ma'am, on a different note, were your mother, Elizabeth Zimmerman, able to visit the former president?
My mother, she doesn't want that she be talked about or discussed in interviews, so let's keep her private.
Peace, yeah.
Noted, ma'am. Thank you.